Right, so I'm going to show you the best AI tool in the market that allows you to generate articles like these ones, which featured image, tables of contents, in-article videos, bullet out words, internal links, external links, in-article images that are all relevant to what the subject is about. And all of this is generated with AI, right? I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it and why you should use it. First, before I show you how you can use it, let me show you why and tell you why you should do it. And I give this analogy often, but think of this as a stair. And think of this as success right here. Let's call success money. And the reality is that if you're not leveraging AI, you're starting from down here. Why? Because people that are leveraging journalists, right, this AI tool that I'll leave in a link in the description for this one, they're starting from up here because you can just simply, and I'll show you this in a second, give it keywords, give it a list of keywords, and journalists will generate content tailored and optimized for those keywords. Not only that, that's just the written part, it will give you images. It will give you a table of contents. It will give you, like I said before, in-article videos tailored to what the article is speaking about. Images tailored to what the article is speaking about. Automatically internal links, automatically external links, right? All this done automatically. No longer do you have to go out, click here, Command K, link out to whatever it is that you want to link, figure out what the best place is to put a link to, either whether that's an internal link linking to other content you've built, or an external link linking to an authoritative source. All this takes a lot of time. Even finding in-article images, right? In-article images you can use and leverage, all of this takes so much time. That's why, again, if you think of this as a ladder, you're starting from up here because people that are not leveraging AI, they need to go out and figure out what the content is going to be about. Find the images, find the videos. There's a bunch more steps here, right? Putting in calls to action to your offer at the end, figuring out the videos, figuring out internal links. This all takes a lot of time, right? And you can even, like I said before, add calls to action to your product, whatever it is. Let's say you're building a Shopify store and you want to automate your blog, which again, you can do so here. You can set up an autoblog with Shopify or Wix, integrations, autoblogs, go to new autoblog. You can integrate with, integrations here. You can set up an integration. You can set up an integration with Shopify. So meaning you could have your Shopify running and then have a blog running in the back on autopilot, because journalists also allows you to generate and automatically publish tailored niche content SEO optimized to your blog. Now it's super powerful. Again, let me show you how it works. If you go to here, generate articles, and just go, of course, tryjournalist.com, go to your dashboard, log in. I'll leave a link for this in the description. There's 3 basic modes of generation. The simple mode, where you give it a business URL, the description, select how many articles you want to generate, then the language. We have 150 different languages: Portuguese, Spanish, Greek, Turkish, English, whatever you want. If you want to tackle the international markets, let's say, for example, you have a Shopify store and you want to target Spanish markets or Spanish-speaking markets, you can set up an automatic blog on Shopify. Now, I have videos on this channel on how to do it, and it's going to be creating and publishing content on autopilot. That's with images, videos, internal links, external links to your products, calls to action to your products, all on autopilot, right? Titles mode, pretty straightforward. You give it titles, right? Give it a bunch of titles. You can put how many titles you want, 100, 2,000 titles. Click generate. It's going to generate articles optimized for those titles. Keyword mode, pretty simple. You give it a bunch of keywords. You can even do some keyword research for your niche. Fill out all in here, paste it in here, 100, 1,000, 2,000, click generate. And it's going to generate 2,000 unique articles tailored and optimized for your keywords. Again, in any language you want. Now, if you want to go a bit more in depth, right, you can create a preset. And this is where things get fun. I'm not going to create a new one. Actually, let's go create a new one to show you how it works. Create a preset. Just give it a name, special preset. Now, there's 7 or 8 different things you can do here. And these are super, super powerful because this is what gives you the edge over any other AI writing tool. First things first is that Journalist isn't just an AI writing tool. It's an AI writer plus publisher. It does it on autopilot. Now, first things first is the generation mode. Again, you can do business description, specific titles, or keyword based, right? Pretty straightforward. Then the content. These are where things get fun. Again, you can choose the language. Then you can choose the creativity, right? You want to be a bit more correct, factual, or a bit more creative or original, right? You can, depending on your niche and the voice of your brand, you can play around with this. Tone of voice, funny, informal, academic, you can put here whatever you want. Jokes, whatever, you can just play with this around. Now, point of view, you can make it speak from the first person, third person, second person, whatever you want. This will depend, of course, on your niche and what your goal is. Custom instructions, I won't go over too deep into this one, but essentially, like it says here, we'll use these instructions to generate each paragraph, right? So if you want a bit more control over the output, you can do this, right? Pretty straightforward. Then structure. right? You can automatically add calls to action to your articles. Let's say, again, your article is about best VPNs for 2023, right? You can have it so there's down here a custom call to action, in article call to action with a contextual link to your offer, right? To your product or to someone else's offer, right? You can even put an affiliate link here, right? You can have the headings auto-generated, or you can add them manually, right? Again, you give you a bit more control of that. These two are super fun. These are automatically internal linking and external linking. So if you generate an article today and tomorrow you generate 10 more, these are all going to be interlinked in a way that makes sense, right? If this article talks about cat food and this one talks about cat toys, they're going to interlink between each other in a way that makes sense, right? Super powerful for SEO. And again, you can set this up here with your sitemap. Again, we have a video solely on this channel on how to do it exactly. I won't go over into this right now, but if you search a YouTube channel, you'll find on how it works. External linking, same thing, but instead of linking between articles you've generated on your blog, it's going to link out to authoritative sources, whether that's Forbes, Huffington Post, and other very authoritative sources in your niche, right? If you're in finance, it's going to link out to TechCrunch or to these other finance publications, right? Sorry about that. You can do this automatically, right? Enable will scrape the internet for relevant articles in your niche and language, or you can do it manually. You can add links here, and you can just put the anchor text if you like. Then we move to the images here, down here, number 6. There's a lot of things you can do here. You can just choose Google license-free photos, custom images. You can upload your images here to the custom image tab. So if you want us to use your own images on your own articles, you can do so, or then you can just choose from 2 stock photo sites and we will use those images as well. Enable featured image, enable article images. I'll recommend you enable in article images because you want your articles to be rich in features, right? Whether that's images or links, or of course, in this case, videos, which you can set up automatically. So these, if you set this up and create your preset, then when you create the content based on this preset, it's going to generate the content, then it's going to read through it all and then scrape YouTube to find the best video that fits in your own or in the articles you just created. Or if you want to do it manually, you can do so. You can put however many links you want here from different YouTube videos, or just do it automatically. Then formatting, you can bold important keywords if you'd like. And then you just create a preset, go to generate articles, and you go to advanced mode, select your preset, and then generate however many articles you want. You can do 300, click, it's going to generate your content based on the preset you just created, right? And again, this content is heavily optimized and is heavily niched down to whatever it is that you're building. Again, I'm going to show you here what this looks like. It isn't nothing like ChatGPT, right? We give you images, in article images, featured images. All this is tailored to your niche, right? This is taking a while to load because of my internet. But again, if we scroll down here, all this is tailored. All the video is tailored to, this is for the best benefits of gardening, right? This video is on gardening, right? All the internal images, all the links, all the internal links, all the external links, this is all tailored to your niche, right? It's so much faster to leverage AI to produce content. Again, here, visit us today and discover the secrets of successful gardening. This is a custom call to action to this business, right? All of this is extremely powerful, and it's going to save you a lot of time and money. Again, I'll leave a link for this in the description. Try it out. You get 3 articles for free. I promise you will like it. If not, just let me know via support. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.